Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup look, and it features a grunge-inspired halo eye, so stay tuned. So for the eye look, I'm going in with this super cute little palette called the Pretty Much palette from Colourpop, and I'm just starting out with the lightest shade and I'm buffing it into my crease. The funny thing about this shade is that it looks like a taupe in the pan, but when you put it on, it's actually more of like a mauve. Next, I'm going in with this maroon shade in the palette, and I'm blending it a bit lower in the crease with a smaller blending brush. Before I start using darker shades, I want to make sure the shades that I already had on my eye are like blended nicely together. So I take my first blending brush and I just go back and forth to make sure I have that even application. So next I'm going to be taking the darkest shade in the palette and I'm going to pop it right into the crease so that when I go in with my next black shade, I'm going to have like a nice transition between these mauve colors and the super dark ones. So I'm taking Noir from Anastasia's Soft Glam palette, but you could basically use any black eyeshadow you have. They even sell this one as a single if you're like super married to how this look came out. And what I do is I pack it on the inside corner and the outside, leaving the middle space blank. And I really want it to look dark and intense. So I just put on layer after layer until I'm content with what I've got. Then I'm just going to take a blending brush and go back and forth over that black color, just so there isn't too harsh of a transition between the light and the dark shades. So next I'm going back into the Pretty Much palette and I'm taking that sparkly bronze shade that's in the corner and I'm popping it right onto the center of the lid where I left that blank space, and I'm using my finger to make sure it looks really sparkly. Then I'm going in with this liquid eyeshadow from Stila. It's in the shade Smoky Storm, and I apply it with a brush right onto the center of the lid to really intensify that halo look. So the funny thing is I actually brought false eyelashes with me, but I forgot the glue, so no false eyelashes today. Instead, I'm just going to curl my lashes with this Kevin Aquan eyelash curler. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Benefit BADgal Bang mascara, which is like super awesome. And I'm just going to coat the lashes a few times until I'm happy with how they look. To finish off the eyes, I'm going back into the Pretty Much palette, and I'm using just that maroon shade since it's kind of in the middle of all the shades, just to save time. And I'm sweeping that back and forth under the eye. Then I'm taking that black eyeshadow and I'm sweeping it under the eye using a small pencil brush just to make sure I don't get too crazy and start looking like a raccoon. To really emphasize that halo look, I'm taking a shader brush with Stila's glitter on it and I'm popping it right where it would be under the eye where it is on top. Then I'm just going to apply some mascara to the bottom lashes to complete the eye look. And that's the completed look. Thanks so much for watching.